this activity is called scooter bowling. The object is to score as many points as you can. Your score is determined based on the number that's showing on the die when you hit it. If you don't hit the die, but get it in between the two cones, you can still score 1 point. So we have 3 jobs. We have the bowler, we have the pin setter, the person who picks up the die and sets it back on top of the cone, and the person who's retrieving the ball to go back and take their turn to become the bowler. So we're going to see it in action. Everybody, ready, go.